It's time to secure your software development process with SDLC Gap Analysis. SDLC is the backbone of any successful software project. But what happens when there are gaps? Weak security protocols, compliance failures, and inefficiencies creep in, leaving your organization vulnerable. That's where SDLC Gap Analysis comes in. It's the process of identifying and fixing those gaps before they become major issues. Here's how it works. Review your current setup, identify the problems, develop and implement a plan to address those gaps. High-quality, secure software that builds trust with your clients and keeps your organization ahead of the game. So, don't let hidden gaps hold your projects back. Take the first step and secure your applications today. Read our blog now. SDLC Gap Analysis, requirement for organizations. Let's be secure for sure.